Welcome to Samtouch Office, the clouded back office suite for Sam4S terminals running Samtouch EPOS software. I'm briefly going to show you a couple of screens from the core module. The first screen you will be presented with is the dashboard, which acts as a home screen. This shows various financial aspects, including on the left a live report for today's sales so far. There are many different reports you can take. I've expanded the product sales to give you an idea. Let's take a look at a fairly standard report. Here you can see all of the products sold on the 3rd of March, neatly sectioned in their relevant groups, for example, main meals, baked potatoes, etc. As well as the quantities sold, we can see the sales values with their VAT breakdowns. Another report I'll quickly show you is the financial report. In other words, your daily Z reading. As you can see, we can specify a date range, so you can view the figures for a whole period, as you can with the other reports. A closer look shows everything you would expect, including total sales, a breakdown of payment types, a VAT breakdown, and totals for the different price levels, for example, eat-in and take-away. It would also show no sales, voids, and refunds if there had been any. Let's move on and have a quick look at the programming side of Samtouch Office. This is a product list, and it shows a summary of the description, group, and prices for each product. You can filter the list in many ways, for example, by group, or reorder the list, for example, alphabetically, or simply type in the search box to find a particular item. When you find the product you're looking for, click on it to alter its settings. From this screen, you can now see and access all of the programming options available for a single product. You can alter its description, as well as an alternative one that can be displayed and printed by the EPOS terminal. You can change any of the 6 price levels, and different sets of prices can be selected for separate locations, for example, a tariff for a function bar as opposed to the main bar. You can also change the group and the category the product is linked to. Depending on what modules you have chosen, by clicking on the tabs you can change many of the other settings for the products, such as tax, stock, waste entry and kitchen printing. So as you can see, there are no problems trying to hunt for a product settings. They're all accessible from one screen. I'll just show you the keyboard editing screen, where you can move buttons around and alter their shape and colour. You'll notice that, as with most of the changes you make in Samtouch Office, you can schedule these to activate at a future specified date and time. That was a very brief look at some of the screens in Samtouch Office. You'll find more information on our website. Please feel free to contact us with any questions you may have.